case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1986, a dispute over a picturesque lakeside property in Vermont ended up in the state Supreme Court, drawing scrutiny towards the tradition of handshake deals and the limits of oral agreements in real estate transactions. The case, Chomicky versus Buttolph, marked a pivotal moment in American property law, echoing the fundamental theme of respecting the statute of frauds and its requirement for written contracts. The saga began when Buttoplh agreed to sell his beloved lakeside plot to Chomicky. The agreement hinged on Buttoplh securing a crucial permit from the Leicester Planning Commission. As the two awaited the permit, they engaged in a verbal contingency plan, shaking hands on a deal that would proceed should the permit be denied. However, the Planning Commission denied Buttolph's petition for a subdivision. As a result, Buttoplh declared the handshake deal null and void, pulling the virtual rug out from under Chomicky. This set the stage for a legal battle, as Chomicky sought to enforce the oral agreement made over the phone, calling for a notion known as specific performance. Chomicky's case hinged on the doctrine of part performance, a legal principle often invoked to alleviate those who've made significant, irretrievable changes in response to an oral agreement. However, it was not enough to supersede the statute of frauds, which mandates that contracts for property sales be in writing. Although Chomicky claimed that he had made financing arrangements and a $5,000 down payment, the court saw this as inadequate. The court noted the lack of evidence proving that Chomicky deliberatively gave up other opportunities in anticipation of the deal, which, according to the judges, was essential to invoke the part performance doctrine. Ultimately, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of Buttoplh. The court underscored the pivotal role of written contracts to ward off potential fraud and ensure clarity in property transactions. Chomicky's loss served as a reminder that any modifications or alterations to a contract, let alone verbal agreements, must meet the same stringent standards of formality as the original contract. This landmark case reverberated across the real estate industry, highlighting the potential pitfalls of verbal agreements and reasserting the importance of written contracts in line with the statute of frauds.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.